Well, welcome back. And we are going to start the lessons with this study material or the handmade notes made by me. I made these notes in such a way that gradually we can build the sentence from simple to complex. As I said, the study materials or the practice books which are printed by different organizations, they may have so many words mixed with that. Of course, after some time, we cannot make some sentence without the support of many words. So I tried to build the lessons in simple step-by-step fashion. So what I suggest to you is, you please take notes. Though I give this material for you to take printout, I feel it is better to listen and take notes in your own fashion. And keeping these notes, you study with the practice material, the practice books, so that your notes you can refer every now and then. You can add or correct the notes what you have taken. That way, double time, triple time, you get the concept clear and well wired in your mind. That's the objective. And before taking this lesson, I would like to tell something. I have here something called a scrapbook like, and I will be using this to write something because I made running notes like a Word file. So in this I will be using some scribbling, and I want to get the idea clear. Though I already taught all these things in my earlier courses, how to see online dictionary. And how to use word, verb forms online. Because many a time we don't remember all the words, all the verbs in all lakara, in all the vibhakti like that. So I just give the dictionary site. All this site, this is learnsanskrit.cc, all that I will give in the resource, so you can see the link there. It is very simple. You can just type here and get the information. For example, Madhura. Like that, if you type in English, you see in the left hand side, so many words are suggested. In that you select Madhura. And Madhura means so many meanings are there. Lovely, charming, pleasant, and so many related words are there. So many Samasta padams are there. Madhura Samudraha and Madhura Hastapaha, Madhura Mandalam. So in the second column you can see N means neuter gender, ADJ means adjective, adverb, male gender, female gender, like that, and some example sentences are available. Somewhere F means female, Madhura, like that. So you can use appropriate meaning in with respect to the context we are studying. Okay, you can only get, say for example, you want to get Krishikanam. You can see here Krishikanam like that. You can see that Krishikanam is something used in a sentence. Krishikaha is the actual Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana form. So when you are trying for words, always try for Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana form, because you don't find in all the Vibhakti in the dictionary. Okay, that is number one. And you want to know some Sanskrit word for some English word. For example, you want to know lion and equivalent Sanskrit words. So you can select the lion in the left hand side, and you can see here Simhaha, Simhi, Jalavyagraha, then Mrutasimha. Mrutasimha means dead lion. Garjitasaha, Vikrantaha, Aranyarajaha, like that so many synonyms you can find from this dictionary. And you can find the verb form also. Suppose you are so you can see patati, like that I typed, and in the left side I can select patati, and you can see this is a verb, and this verb belongs to prathama gana, like that, bhuvadi gana, and you see some sentences if available. Otherwise normally you see the verbs, and most of the kridanta forms you get in this dictionary. Patitavyam, you can see here patitavya, like that. Pataniya, pataniya, like that. Patitum, patitum, like that. So we can see most kridanta words in this site. And that's very simple way of using this site. And this is very good site for the beginners. I recommend this site for you. So in all the study materials and the practice books what I give to you, whatever word you don't get the meaning, you can use this dictionary, and frequent usage of the dictionary and checking with some sentences how they are used, like that you can improve yourself. That's number one. And number two, I want you to use this site. This is Samasa Dhani, like that. It's a toolkit site. You can use two portions of this one. One is noun generator, and another is verb form generator. Kritanda generator, Taddita generator, like that, so many are there. I have not checked with all those things. Even then you can check with Kritanta generator. I think these three I will show. In the right side, the second one is noun generator, then verb form generator, then Kritanta generator. Let us see noun form. So in the noun form you can type. There are different ways you can input. You can go through this yourself, and the encoding table is given there. You can check the encoding table, how the letters are to be typed. On the top column you are having different encoding methods, IAST, VH, KH, Devanagari, like that. And I use Devanagari, so I just type Ramaha. Rama is the Shabdaha, and it is Nama Shabdaha, Pullinga Shabdaha. So I ask for Rupa. So this site gives you the Rupa. Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramo, Raman, like that, all the 21 forms. And the last one is Sambodhana Prathama Vibhakti. He Rama, He Ramo, He Ramaha, like that. So most words you can see. And Anya, Anya is one Sarvanama Padam. So if you select Anya, Anyaha, Anyau, Anye, Anyam, Anyau, Anyan, Anyena, Anyabhyam, Anyaihi, Anyasmai, Anyabhyam, Anyebhyaha. Like that you can see all the 21 forms. Okay. Similarly, you can see the verb forms. When you load this site, this dhatu should list all the dhatu. Otherwise, you can just refresh and see that one. So, when you come back to verb form, see in the dhatu, the drop down list should show all the dhatu. You can scroll through and select, or you can type the dhatu. For example, pat. Pat, like that I am typing. So, it is showing pat, patang is with the swara. And Vyaktayam Vachi is the meaning of that verb pat, and the gana is Bhuadi gana. There are 10 dhatu ganas. This we studied in course 3, the grammar course. So I just select that pat, and whether you want in Kartari, and this is Parasmaipadi, Atmanepadi, Ubhayapadi, like that, the verb form, if you know. If you don't know, you can select alternatively one after other. So if you select Parasmaipadi Dhatu, and we want in Kartari Prayoga, so if you click on the Rupani, you see all that. Latlakaraha, Patati, Patataha, Patanti, like that. Litlakara, Lutlakara, Lt lakara, lot lakara. So the lakara meanings are given in Sanskrit. Vartamana means present, paroksha means past tense, not seen by the sayer. Anadyatana bhavishyat, adyatana bhavishyat, lot lakara, ajna, prarthana, like that. You can see all those forms. Suppose you want a Nijanta form, you can click Nijanta and click on that Rupani. Patayati, Patayataha, Patayanti. Like that in all the 10 lakara, you can see the Nijanta form. And Karmani Bhave, if you want to see, you can, I remove Nijanta, I select Karmani Bhave. The Karmani form of the verb like that I taught in course 3, course 2, and in this course also I will revise those. You can just click Rupani, Patyate, Patyate, Patyante, like that all the 10 lakara you can see the forms. So making use of these two sites, it's a self-learning tool. We have to use dictionary site and we have to use this form site. I liberally use these two sites while I am reading, while I am making my sentences, while typing. If I have some doubt for proper spelling and all, and the proper usage, sometimes I get confusion, then I refer this for the correct form. So this way we can easily get some grip on the forms of different words. Words are only two types. Suptigandam padam iti sutram. So subandha is noun, tiganda is a verb. So we can get verb form, nijanta form, kartari form, karmani form, atmanepadi, ubhayapadi, parasmaipadi, like that. All the forms we can see. And if you are having some verb with upasarga, you can select the upasarga which is to be prefixed, and we can see the upasarga form of the verb also. But all the verbs are not with all the upasarga, so you may not see the forms. Practically they are not like that. There are some well-known verb form with upasarga. Okay, these two I just given some idea, and let me show Kridanta form. With Kritanta form, dhatu again I will select pat. So with pat dhatu we get patitavan, patitavati, patitum, patitavyam, pataniyam, prapatya. Like that we get so many Kridanta form. Patanam. Let us see that. So you have that trich kridanta, patitru, one who studies, patita will be the prathama vibhakti ekavachana rupam, and in the strilinga the shabda is patitri, like ikaranda shabda, and in the napumsakalinga it is patitre. Similarly tavyat, patitavya in pullinga, patitavya in strilinga, patitavyam in napumsakalinga. So you can see shatru pratyaya, shanach. Shanach is not there to this particular dhatu because it is not with upasarga. And nul pratyaya, patakaha, one who reads. And ikta, patitaha, patita, patitam, like that. Iktavatu, patitavat, patitavan, patitavati, like that. Aniya, pataniya, tumun, patitum, nul, namul, patam, and iktva, patitva, like that. So many kridanta forms of dhatu you can see. So mostly using these three options available in this site and with the dictionary site, most of the study material you can make clear yourself. I want that way you to learn. I can say all the words in the study material. I have practiced enough, so it is easy for me. And initially it may appear, how can we remember thousands of words and its meaning, its forms, like that. But it is very simple. As I said, while reading through the stories, I have made that YouTube channel exclusively for you people to listen and to see the word forms, the sentence constructions, like that. So frequently going through the story reading and doing the practices in the practice book, all words automatically we remember. Like I hope this many words what I am speaking in English, I have not written and by hearted. Gradually as I started speaking, I remember more and more words. Like that every one of us. So it won't be a problem at all, though it may look in the beginning a heavy load like that. Well, I just gave the idea about the online tool site, one for dictionary, one for finding the forms of the word. Now let us jump into the topic. And okay, this lecture might have gone around 30 minutes, I hope. So I will take the lesson in the next lecture. And in this lecture, under the resources, you can see all the links also. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.